Congratulations, Mama! You've taken a monumental step in your journey of motherhood. Breastfeeding is a beautiful and natural way to bond with your baby, providing them with the essential nutrients they need to grow and thrive. You've embarked on the beautiful journey of breastfeeding. It's a path filled with love, patience, and dedication. Each feeding session is a moment of connection, a time when you and your baby communicate in the most intimate way. You've mastered the basics, and now you're ready to dive deeper. Advanced breastfeeding is about more than just feeding your baby. It's about understanding the nuances of your baby's needs and your body's responses. We're going to explore the world of advanced breastfeeding together. This includes learning about different breastfeeding positions, understanding how to manage and increase your milk supply, and knowing how to handle common breastfeeding challenges. This is about understanding your body and your baby's needs. Every baby is unique, and so is every breastfeeding journey. By tuning into your baby's cues and your own instincts, you can create a breastfeeding experience that works best for both of you. It's about trusting your instincts. You have an innate ability to nurture and care for your baby. Trusting yourself and your baby will help you navigate this journey with confidence and grace. It's about knowing that you're not alone on this path. There is a community of mothers who are on the same journey, facing similar challenges and celebrating similar triumphs. Connecting with other breastfeeding mothers can provide support, encouragement, and valuable insights. This journey might have its challenges, but the rewards are immeasurable. Overcoming obstacles together with your baby strengthens your bond and builds resilience. Each challenge you face and overcome is a testament to your strength and dedication. The bond you share with your baby through breastfeeding is unlike any other. It's a unique connection that fosters love, security, and trust. These moments of closeness are precious and will be cherished for a lifetime. So let's embark on this adventure together, Mama. Let's explore the depths of advanced breastfeeding, learn new techniques, and embrace the journey with open hearts and minds. Let's unlock the secrets of advanced breastfeeding and nurture our little ones with love and nourishment. Together, we can make this journey a beautiful and fulfilling experience for both you and your baby. A good latch is crucial for comfortable and effective breastfeeding. It ensures that your baby is getting enough milk and that you are comfortable during the feeding process. Without a proper latch, breastfeeding can become painful and frustrating for both you and your baby. It's all about getting your baby to latch onto your breast deeply and securely. A deep latch allows your baby to effectively compress the milk ducts and draw out milk efficiently. This not only helps in feeding but also stimulates your milk production. Bring your baby close to you, tummy to tummy. This position helps your baby feel secure and supported, making it easier for them to latch on properly. Holding your baby close also promotes bonding and comfort for both of you. Make sure your baby's ear, shoulder, and hip are aligned. This alignment ensures that your baby's head is in a neutral position, which is crucial for a good latch. Proper alignment helps your baby swallow more easily and reduces the risk of nipple pain for you. Support your breast with your hand, using a C-hold or a V-hold. This support helps you guide your nipple into your baby's mouth and maintain a good latch. The C-hold involves placing your thumb above your nipple and your fingers below, while the V-hold involves using your index and middle fingers to support your breast. Gently tickle your baby's lips with your nipple to encourage them to open wide. This action stimulates your baby's natural rooting reflex, prompting them to open their mouth wide and prepare for a deep latch. Aim your nipple towards the roof of their mouth. This positioning helps your baby take in more of the areola, not just the nipple, which is essential for a deep and effective latch. Once your baby's mouth is open wide, bring them quickly to your breast. This swift movement helps ensure that your baby gets a good mouthful of breast tissue, which is key to a comfortable and effective latch. Remember, a good latch should feel comfortable and pain-free. If you experience pain, it's a sign that the latch may not be correct. Breastfeeding should be a pleasant experience for both you and your baby. If it hurts, gently break the latch and try again. Use your finger to break the suction before removing your baby from your breast, then reposition and try to latch again. With practice and patience, you and your baby will find the perfect latch. Breastfeeding isn't always easy. It can be a beautiful experience, but it also comes with its own set of challenges that many mothers face. You might experience challenges like low milk supply, sore nipples, or engorgement. These issues can be frustrating and sometimes even painful, but there are ways to manage them effectively. Don't worry, Mama, these are common. Many mothers go through similar experiences, and there are solutions to help you through these tough times. For low milk supply, try frequent nursing, skin-to-skin contact, and galactagogues like fenugreek or blessed thistle. These methods can help stimulate milk production and ensure your baby is getting enough nourishment. Sore nipples often stem from a poor latch. This can make breastfeeding uncomfortable and even lead to more serious issues if not addressed. Ensure a deep latch and apply nipple cream after each feeding. This can help soothe the pain and promote healing, making breastfeeding a more pleasant experience for both you and your baby. Engorgement can be relieved by warm compresses, gentle massage, and frequent nursing. These techniques can help reduce swelling and make breastfeeding more comfortable. Remember, you're not alone, mama. There are many resources and communities out there to support you. Reach out to other mothers, lactation consultants, or support groups. You're doing an amazing job, and with a little help, you can overcome these challenges and enjoy the special bond that breastfeeding creates. Section 4. Extended breastfeeding, a gift for both mother and child. Breastfeeding beyond the first year offers numerous benefits. Your milk continues to provide essential nutrients and antibodies. Extended breastfeeding strengthens the bond between you and your baby. It fosters emotional security and promotes healthy development. For you, mama, it reduces the risk of certain cancers, osteoporosis, and postpartum depression. It's a journey of love, nourishment, and connection. Embrace the beauty of extended breastfeeding. Section 5. You've got this, mama. Finding your strength. Breastfeeding is a journey that requires strength, resilience, and unwavering love. There will be days when you feel overwhelmed or discouraged. Remember, mama, you're amazing. You're providing the best possible nourishment for your child. Trust your instincts. Believe in your body's ability to nourish your baby. Take each day as it comes. Celebrate small victories. You're doing an incredible job, mama. Section 6. Reaching out. Support when you need it most. You don't have to go through this journey alone, mama. There's a whole community of support available to you. Reach out to your healthcare provider, a lactation consultant, or a breastfeeding support group. They can offer guidance, answer your questions, and provide encouragement. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. You've got this, mama. Section 7. A journey of love and nourishment. Breastfeeding is a journey of love, nourishment, and connection. It's a sacred dance between a mother and her child. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the triumphs, and cherish every moment. You're giving your baby the best possible start in life. You're a breastfeeding superhero, mama.